Not all habits are created equal. Some will have a much bigger effect on your life. These high-return habits are often called keystone habits. And if you're going to adopt only one new habit, it should be one of these. What's up everybody, Tanvir Ahmed here. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna tell you about keystone habits and how to improve all areas of your life with one small habit. Keystone habits seem like any other habit, on the surface at least. The difference is that keystone habits tend to have ripple effects which change your behavior in unexpected ways. So let's dive into what makes keystone habits so powerful and how you can get started building one. When it comes to identifying your own keystone habits, that's where things get tricky. Exercise is the main example used by most people who talk about keystone habits. But anything can become a keystone habit if it has the power to make you see yourself in a different way. So to identify your keystone habits, look for behaviors that have a ripple effect and change your other behaviors without any extra effort. Also, pay attention to how you see yourself when you do a particular habit. Does it change your self-image? Do you feel better when you think of yourself as a person? Exercising regularly is, for many people, a keystone habit because when they do it, they also make healthier eating and life choices and procrastinate less. Other keystone habits include meditation, reading, writing, and socializing. They provide a nice foundation for a healthy life in all domains. Now that you've got your keystone habit, you have to make it stick. And to make any habit stick in the long term, keystone or not, you have to do it regularly. The more often you do the habit, the more you'll get used to it, and eventually you'll do it without thinking, the definition of a habit. And to make sure that you're sticking to it, you have to keep track of your habit every day. It helps to know how often you're succeeding or not. Use whatever works for you, pen and paper or habit tracking apps. A very simple way to keep track of your progress is to mark each day you complete your habit on a calendar. Also, if you want to increase your chances of creating a keystone habit, start small. Do the minimum you can and be consistent in your behavior. To create a new habit, you must first simplify the behavior. A good tiny behavior is easy to do and fast. You also want to plan ahead. Planning ahead is the trick to not getting thrown off by unfamiliar situations, because there are so many variables that can affect our ability to stick with new behaviors. Planning ahead is the best way to build up the consistency we need for the habit to stick. Building habits is a long, slow process. It requires some determination in the beginning, as you work on building momentum and making a new behavior habitual, so you don't have to think about it. But the rewards are overwhelming. Once you've built a strong habit, you'll be performing a healthy behavior without even trying. And if you focus on finding and building keystone habits, you'll be getting a ripple effect of better behaviors throughout your life, just from putting effort into that one new habit. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already for more quality content like this. Hit that bell if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.